Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to the special episode where I am going to take some trade in Delta.exchange, and this is one of my NRI friends' account. And there are many NRIs who are following me, and so they are trading on crypto. So, however, I am not a SEBI registered, so therefore you consult your financial advisor before taking any position. So here just I am taking some trade, I am just sharing it, and of course most of the time my trades are unlimited risk. So because I know how to manage. The first thing is that I have not done any trade for a long time. So that's because the entire crypto world got into some kind of a problem. This world filed for bankruptcy. Then after that, if FTX or something, another exchange. So there are all kinds of problems were there. And also because of those problems, the cryptos were sold off heavily and the Bitcoin went almost to 16,000. But then now, the globally stock markets are also stabilizing and crypto markets are also stabilizing. So maybe I thought, maybe I just take one trade in crypto, and of course this is a sponsored video by Delta.exchange. Right now, this is February middle. I am just taking, I don't want to take too long-term view like I used to take earlier, but now I am just keeping about 1.5 month view, that is end of March. One thing is that, in US stock markets are stabilizing, the inflation started going down, so so the markets are stable, so that's why the crypto markets are also stable. So from now I'm not expecting any big down move in crypto, but at the same time I'm maintaining some moderately bullish view. I am not super bullish also, I'm doing moderately bullish view. So here just look at my computer. This is Ethereum. Ethereum right now trading around 1546, and I am choosing the March expiry. So in the March expiry, I am looking to sell 1200 put option. So this 1200 put option, buyer 2630, seller 27. That seller is me only because you can see the 27 rupees, 1200 put option. I am just planning to sell one put option at 1200, and then 1900 call option. You look here, buyer 3320, seller 35. So this seller is also me only. So you can see 1900 call option, 4000 quantity, like is a 1:4, 35 rupees. And in addition to that, so I am also planning to buy one 1500 call option. So you see the 1500 call option, buyer is at 160, seller is at 166. So that buyer is also me only. What actually I am doing, I am buying one lot of 1500 call option and selling 4 lots of 1900 call options and selling one lot of 1200 put option. Maybe I can just show you through the Excel file. 1200 put option, planning to sell at 27 units, 1500, 160. Because this is a buy, we have to pay the money. So it's 160 we pay, and 1900, like we are doing 4 times 35, that is 140. If you see the totally, the net credit comes to 7. But of course, at these prices, the orders are not being executed. So maybe, after some time, I'll change slightly here and there, I'll just make it execute. Assuming that in this adjustment, so I'm losing 7. So that means the strategy which I've developed is no credit, no debit strategy. So you don't receive any credit, you don't have any debit. So then what is your profit? So your profit will be only if Ethereum closes between 1500 and 1900 by the end of March. Wherever it closes, however, how much it closes above 1500, so that will be our profit. So this is just a call ratio 1500 and 1900, 1:4 plus one put option. This is the strategy. Normally I don't do call ratio or put ratio, so I mix and match. The margin money for this, I think the margin money has not been mentioned here. I think it's about like 4,000, 5,000 units only. So even if you get 50 profit, that will work out to be very good profit. Now maybe we shall try to change the prices. Okay, now it is 46. I think it seems to be going up. So 27. So maybe I change to 2650. 27. Maybe I change to 2650. So 2650 order is filled. Okay, then this one is 33, 30, 35. So maybe I change to 34. 34 order is updated. Yeah, I think order is filled. No, the order is not filled. I think the previous one order. So this is 34. Now the sell buyer has gone to 32.30. And here we do buy 160. Oh, it's asking 163. But we will wait for this sell order to close. Because this is 4 lots, we're changing, it's going to be dramatically alter our position. So 33.5 maybe we do. Yeah, 33.5 also people don't want to buy. So this is a practical challenge in options in cryptos. The liquidity is not really very high. Now the buyer has gone to 33. So maybe I'll change to 33 because if I wait, so I cannot finish this video. Yes, 33 order is completely filled. So now in the Excel file, I have to change this to 4 times 33 and this is 26. Now coming back to this, now we have to do this one, 160. So 164, so maybe I change to 162. 162. If I do 162, so then even for this, I have to pay 4 USDT from my pocket. So I think now I don't want to change more than 162. So I'm just waiting for this to trigger. Otherwise, I will just change at the end of the day. Just a summary of what I have done. I sold 1,200 put option and buying 1,500 call option and selling 4,900 call option. Approximately, no debit, no credit. I think the way I change the prices, I may have to be a little bit debit only. That, like $4, $5, no, it doesn't matter that, we will adjust it by doing some weekly or intraday trade, something like that. If you look at the screen, 1,200 put option got triggered and 1,900 call option, 4,000 quantity, but only 3,625 got triggered. Still some more has to be, about 375 quantity needs to be triggered. And once this is over, then I will be buying the call option, and the call option now 160 rupees is me only. So seller is at 162, 163. So maybe once my sell option is completed, the buy option maybe I may change from 160 to 161 or 162. I will just execute the trade. Buy option, it doesn't execute, it nothing to worry, because let the price go to 1,900. So we will see that time, without that also. So that's why we don't have to be very particular about changing. So you just put it, maybe after half an hour or 1 hour it will get triggered. I think I'm doing this one trade in crypto after a very long time. And there are a lot of regulatory changes within in India. So trading in crypto becoming more and more difficult, but a lot of my NRI friends, they do trade in cryptos. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.